Hello everyone, today we are going to do prime factorization using our factor tree method. This is a requested video, so let's get started. So prime factorization is writing the factors of a number using prime numbers. You all must be knowing that prime numbers are numbers which are divisible by itself and number 1. So first 4 prime numbers I am writing here so that it is going to help in our prime factorization method. So the smallest prime number is 2, then 3, 5, 7. These are all prime numbers. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So let's take few examples here. Let's start by writing the prime factorization of 42. So for writing the prime factorization using tree method, we are going to write the number like this. Make circle around the number. Now we are going to write 42 in terms of its two factors, in which one should be a prime number. So 42 can be written as 2 times 21, or 42 can also be written as 3 times 14. So I am going to take 2 times 21 as the factors. You can even take 3 times 14. 2 is a prime number. It cannot be further divided. So we'll divide 21. And again we'll follow the same process and we'll write the factors of 21, among which one should be a prime number. So we can write 21 as 3 times 7. So here we see that 3 is also a prime number and 7 is also a prime number. So all are prime number. So here we are going to stop. So factors of 42 can be written as these three, the lower level numbers we are going to write here, which is 2 times 3 times 7. So these are all the factors of 42. Now let's take 3 times 14. So we can write the factor tree here. One more factor tree. We can draw one more factor tree here. 42 as, we are going to write 3 times 14 as 42. So 3 is a prime number, so we are not going to divide it further. This can be divided further and it can be written as 2 times 7. From these two factors too, we are going to get the factors of 42 as 3 times 2 times 7. So let's take one more example here and find the factors of 72 by factor tree method. So we'll write 72 as this, and as it is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So we are going to write 2 times 36 is 72. 2 is a prime number. It cannot be broken down further. So we are going to write the factors of 36 as, it is an even number. So we are going to write 2 times 18. 18 again is an even number. So we are going to write 2 times 9. So we can write 9 as 3 times 3. So we got all the prime numbers. It cannot be further divided. So we'll stop here. One thing you should keep in mind is that whatever number we are dividing, like this one, and this one and this one, these we are not going to write in our factors. Factors are numbers which are in the lower level of the tree. So prime factorization of 72 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So these are all the prime factors of 72 using the factor tree method. I hope this factor tree method is clear to you all. Thanks for watching.